Imagine this, $1 million in cash, right in your hands. What's your next move? You're standing at the edge of a vast, fertile piece of land, and the biggest decision of your life is right in front of you. With $1 million head start, which agricultural venture would you dive into? The world of farming is full of possibilities, but also full of risks. Let's explore some of the top contenders. First up, we have rice. A staple food for more than half of the world's population. The demand is constant, practically guaranteeing a market. With $1 million, you could invest in high-yield, disease-resistant seeds, advanced irrigation systems like drip or sprinkler irrigation to conserve water, and modern machinery for planting and harvesting. You could even set up your own small-scale milling and packaging facility to capture more value. The potential for profit is huge, but it's also a water-intensive crop and requires specific climate conditions. Are you ready for that challenge? Next, let's talk about maize. It's incredibly versatile. It's not just for human consumption like your delicious roasted corn on the cob. It's a critical component of animal feed and has numerous industrial uses, from biofuels to sweeteners. Your $1 million investment could secure premium hybrid seeds, sophisticated soil management technology to optimize nutrient levels, and large-scale storage silos to protect your harvest from pests and spoilage, allowing you to sell when prices are most favorable. Maize farming is a powerhouse, but it's also susceptible to pests and market price fluctuations. Do you have the business savvy to navigate that? How about tomatoes? From fresh salads to sauces and pastes, the demand for tomatoes is year-round. With $1 million, you could build state-of-the-art greenhouses. This would give you complete control over the growing environment temperature, humidity, and light, allowing you to grow perfect tomatoes regardless of the season and protect them from pests and diseases. You could invest in hydroponic systems, which use less water and land. You could even start a processing line for tomato paste or sun-dried tomatoes, adding significant value. It's a high-value crop, but it's also labor-intensive and requires meticulous management. Finally, let's not forget poultry farming. We're talking about eggs and meat to protein sources that are always in high demand. $1 million can set up a fully automated, biosecure poultry farm. Think automated feeding and watering systems, climate-controlled housing to keep the birds comfortable and productive, and top-tier veterinary care. You could focus on layers for a steady stream of income from eggs or broilers for a quicker turnover. The returns can be fast, but it requires strict hygiene protocols to prevent disease outbreaks, which can be devastating. So, the choice is yours: the staple security of rice, the industrial versatility of maize, the high-value potential of tomatoes, or the fast returns of poultry. Each path offers incredible rewards, but comes with its own unique set of challenges. $1 million is a massive opportunity to build an agricultural empire. Which seed of success would you plant? Drop your choice in the comments below. We'd love to hear your strategy. And if you enjoyed this journey into agricultural possibilities, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more smart insights into the world of farming. Thanks for watching.